Welcome to Authentic Engagement and Assessment. I'm Deb Capel and I will be the facilitator for this course. This is the screencast to help explain the orientation module. Just to get you started, this little part right here will help you get your feet wet, so to speak. Hopefully you have your book by now. I highly recommend it. It will be a great asset to you and your team in the future. So as you scroll down, you'll see the standards and then the objectives for this module. You found the screencast right here and the overall goals for each model. You can click on that and gives you an insight as to what is expected for each module. The course information will just give you a general idea of what is expected throughout the course, your pacing ideas, the grading rubric, proficiency scale, whichever you prefer to call it at this point. Take a chance or take a minute to introduce yourself with the icebreaker activity. When you are ready to move on, go ahead and click on this orientation module and it'll take you to a soft chalk link. This soft chalk link is something that is requested that we use through AEA-PD Online. It's pretty easy to navigate. As you can see up here, there's the different tabs that you can kind of explore through. Links throughout. So you can simply just click back to get back to the home page, and there's your orientation module. Below each module, you will find forums that are assigned throughout the module. They are also linked up within the soft chalk links, but quick access, they're on the home page as well. Here's some Google Doc that we can provide our contact information so that we can continue to learn and share throughout the course and even after the course. If you are not familiar with online learning, here are some online learning links for you to kind of peruse. The orientation checklist, just like with every other module, you will have this. Just kind of gives you an idea if you're on the right path, if you've completed everything that's required for this orientation. Note that the grading per se for this course is going to be fully based on your unit. The activities throughout are expected, and I use them as formative assessments to guide my instruction to further enhance your learning. But they will not be graded per se. You will have immediate feedback, however. Any announcements that I may have as we begin the course will be located here. And you will find that through the orientation module, you are asked to go to the Google Drive and add this folder. Take a quick minute to access that. Here is the Start Here PBL template folder. You will be making copies of this stuff once it loads and putting it into your own folder. As you can see, there's help within this folder, the big module goals, unpacking document. If you haven't already unpacked your standards, we will be doing that. The PBL unit template that I use to guide teachers in their unit creation, proficiency scale that we use at online. If your district uses another template, you are free to use that as well. Here is the proficiency scale for this course, if you want to take a look at that so that you know what is expected. As you can see, here are the standards from the Iowa teaching standards, and here are the learning progressions that would help you guide yourself in determining which score that you would be earning throughout the course. And the participants information document you can see is there. So as we go back to the orientation module, that pretty much sums it up. Let me know if you have any questions as you get started. I want to make sure that we have all of the technology issues out of the way so that we can focus on the learning.